Hey people, this is going to be a unboxing video of my system sensor PC24115 Orange Strobe Spectre Classic, and so yeah, we're going to be opening this and let's see how it is. Let's just open this box. It's very easy to open right there. You get this packaging thing, whatever it is. These packaging air thing, and boom, I got it right here. This is my alarm. It's two wire. I got the 2-wire conversions. See, this is the horn, and these little white things are your dip switches for your tone selection. And yeah, it comes with screws right here. Comes with everything you need. And yeah, so there's nothing else in the box, and yeah, so I'll be making a test video of this soon. I'll be making it later. And guys, have a good day. Bye. See you next time. And make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video.